Today, we are exploring how to explore LUT intensity control for realism. Open your image and add a color lookup adjustment layer from the Adjustments panel. Select a LUT preset that gives a visible color shift so we can clearly control its strength. Right away, move to the Layers panel and drag the opacity slider downward. Watch how the effect blends naturally into the original tones. This single adjustment is the primary tool professionals use to keep LUTs realistic. Next, duplicate the LUT layer and set the top copy to color blending mode. This separates color grading from contrast influence, allowing finer intensity control. Toggle visibility between layers and adjust each opacity independently.